Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you my G-Wagon. As you've seen it on my previous video, I have changed the engine oil and oil filter. So now I'm going to share with you how we can reset the oil service screen on our cluster panel. Everything is done, and now we're going to go on our cluster panel and I'll walk you through. That there is a service interval light on your cluster panel which need to be resetted. And I already resetted it, and after that I thought about it, I should share this video as well, how to reset your service interval light. So very easy and simple. You put your key into number 2 position and then follow along. So I'm going to put it into number 2, and we're not going to start the ignition, and now I will show you. So once we are on the number 2 position, instrument cluster displaying these miles. So we're going to press this one down, we're going to press it again, and it says service A in 10,000 mile, which I already did it. This is the reset button. We're going to press it and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. So when you do that, it's going to ask for the confirmation. You release your finger, then you press it again, and it will reset for you. So hold it, and this is what it comes. So lift it and confirm by using reset button again. So when you do that, and it says service interval has been reset, and now we are back to 10,000. So that was so easy to reset your service interval light. If this video helped you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you soon with another video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.